Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your computer classes. In the previous session, we were doing Office Libre Impress application, that is a presentation making software, or you can say presentation making application. We had done half chapter in the previous session. I would like to recall or brief out the contents which we had discussed in the previous class. Previous class we started with chapter number 8, Introduction to Impress, where we learned about what is a presentation. A presentation is a method of displaying information with the help of pictures, maps, chart, audios, videos, and text. In the same, we studied about the software in Ubuntu. LibreOffice Impress is the presentation software about which we will be learning on. LibreOffice Impress is also called Impress. Then we studied about slides. Impress presentation consists of slides which are like normal pages. On each slide we put up the information in the form of text, maps, or pictures, or pictures, audios. When these slides are represented in a series one after another, the presentation is called slide show. We learn how to start Office Libre Writer, that is clicking on dash in the search bar, write up LibreOffice Impress, and the program or the icon will be in front of you, which you can click and open it up. We had the components of the Impress window. We studied about title bar, which shows the name of the presentation. By default, when you open up, it's untitled 1. Menu bar consists of different menus in the Impress program. Standard toolbar, which consists of frequently used commands like new, open, save, print, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, and so on. Formatting toolbar consists of commands like font name, font size, numbering, bullets, font color, and so on. Slide panes consist of thumbnails. I again say thumbnails is a small reduced image of a larger one. Workspace is located at the center of the window, in which we have the different views also, that is normal, outline, notes, handout, and slide sort of views. These are known as view buttons: normal, outline, notes, handout, and slide sorter. Sidebar, which contains the buttons such as properties, master page, custom animation, side transition, gallery, and so on. Status bar, which is located at the bottom of the window, displays the slide number, total number of slides. Zoom slider, okay, to zoom in and zoom out the slide. Then we have a drawing tool, which is located at the bottom, consists of different shapes, lines, text, and callouts to a slide. Then we studied about how to create a new presentation. Clicking on the file, selecting the option new, and clicking on the presentation option, a new presentation or a new file will be in front of you. We also studied about the placeholders, that are boxes with a dotted border where the text and pages and pictures can be placed. We had a shortcut also, that is CTRL plus N, to open a presentation. We also learned about how to save the presentation. For saving the presentation, the process is just like the same what we have done in other programs. Click on the file menu. You will have an option save. Click on the save dialog box appear. Put up the name of the file in the box and click on the save button. The presentation will be saved with the new name. We have a shortcut for saving, that is CTRL plus S. We also discussed about the extension of the presentation. The presentation saved in LibreOffice Impress has an .odp extension. Then we learned about how to close a program, for which we have to click on the file menu. We have to select the close option. LibreOffice Impress file closes, but the Libre main window remains open. And we have a shortcut, that is CTRL plus W, to close a presentation. We were going to start from a new topic, that is how we had done up to this closing the Office Libre, closing a presentation in the previous class. We are going to start with the topic opening a saved presentation. In our previous class, we studied about the different segments, the different parts of the Office Libre window. We studied about how to opening it, how to save, how to open a new file. We also studied about the different components of the Office Libre window. Now we are going to start with the file which we had saved, how to open it up. As I have told you, this is my laptop is working on Windows operating system. Hence, I will be representing the points by using the presentation software in Windows operating system, that is new Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. I will be using PowerPoint to describe the contents. Okay. So we have how we can open a saved presentation. To open a saved presentation, what we have to do, we have to click on the file menu. We have to click on the open option, the open dialog box appear. Select the presentation and click on open. The presentation will be open in front of you. The keyboard shortcut to open a presentation is CTRL Control plus O. This is file menu. Click on it. We have a open. Now in open, it will be trying to show me the contents. If you can see, it's showing class 4. I think this is the previous presentation which we had. Yes, this is the previous presentation. So you can see I had opened a previous presentation by using open command.